We've already asked you to record an audio welcome, and now we're going to ask you to record a video welcome directly into Moodle. The computer is going to need access to your webcam, so if your webcam is off, you're going to find out very quickly. You will need to give the software access to your webcam. We're going to go into Moodle, and we're going to add a simple activity. In this case, another page. Click Add, give it a name, maybe give a little detail on the name. You can type a description if you wish, but the most important place to go is directly down to Content. That's what will appear on the screen. A good habit to get into when you are about to just record directly into Moodle, whether it's audio or video, is to type a little bit up here at the top, skip a couple lines, and then type something else. The reason for this is Safari, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge do not support HTML5 standards. The video we're about to embed here does follow the current standards of HTML5 practice. You need to provide students with additional opportunities to access the information. Some of them will not be able to see the video. Click in the middle. Click on the record button. You're not going to get a preview, so make sure that you're sitting up straight, looking directly into the camera. Ready, set, go. Start recording. Welcome to my sandbox course. Now, this is not part of my main video. This is me going click, stop, record video. Okay, so pretend like none of this is here. All right, if I watch the video and I don't like it, I can always record it again. Welcome to my sandbox course. This is where I will play with all types of Moodle activities and settings and permissions and other things I can get my hands on to make sure that I fully understand the ways that you can use Moodle. I hope that you find some of the things I put here instructive. I hope some of the things make you think, how did she do that? Because I'm happy to share. Enjoy! And when you're certain that you like your video, after you've played it a couple of times, you can attach. Your video will appear kind of big. That's fine because it's just a single page with a title. And below, I'd probably start playing my video and type. Put a transcript down there at the bottom so that people that can't see my video will be able to read what it is that I say in my video. And when you're ready, save and display. So if a student were coming to my course, there's my welcome audio. Here's my welcome to my course video. There's going to be times when the video player opens with a solid black box. As long as you have instructions up here at the top to say click below to watch my video, you should be okay. If there's a black square, give them instructions to click to play the video. There's the big image of me. I'm tired of looking at it. This video is over. Have fun.